Hey fam, we're taking just 5 minutes this morning to get our bodies moving, shake off the sleep and start fresh. You'll feel lighter, looser, and ready to take on whatever the day throws at you. Let's do this together, and remember, each stretch is about connecting with yourself. Let's hit the mat, fam. Sit back into child's pose, reaching your arms out and letting your chest sink toward the ground. Take a deep breath in. Feel the stretch down your spine, through your shoulders, and let your back relax. Now, exhale and press forward, gliding into Cobra, lifting your chest as you're reaching up toward the sun. Feel your spine lengthen, waking up each vertebrae. Breathe in, then sit back into child's pose. We're flowing here, stretching and building warmth as we prepare for the day. Now onto all fours. Let's get some movement in our back with cat-cow. Breathe in, arching up, curving your back high into cat. Let's go of any tension from the sleep. Now exhale, dropping your belly, lifting your head, in cow. Flow between these two, moving in sync with your breath. This gentle stretch wakes up the spine, releases stiffness, and brings energy up from your core. From all fours, tuck your toes and press up into downward dog. Take your time to feel this one, fam. Walk your heels down, pedal it out, and feel the stretch go through the backs of your legs. Your hamstrings, calves, even your shoulders are coming alive. Take a deep breath here and feel your body getting stronger, steadier, and more awake. Stand up tall, feet hip width apart. Now hinge at the hips and fold forward. Reach for your toes, let your head and neck relax, sweep down, then lift back up, engaging your core as you rise. This movement is all about waking up your legs and creating space in your lower back. Imagine gathering fresh energy from the ground with every sweep down and bringing it up as you rise. Stand up tall and bring one arm across your body. Hold it with your opposite hand and stretch. Feel the nice release in your shoulders. Switch to the other side. With each breath, you're giving your shoulders a break, letting go of any tension, and building that strength for whatever's ahead today. Let's lift one arm overhead. Bend at the elbow and use your opposite hand to gently push down on that elbow. Breathe deep, feeling the stretch down your tricep. This is opening up your arms and upper back, loosening any tightness from sleep. Switch arms and stay strong, fam. 5 minutes and you're already feeling more flexible, energized and ready. You've done something amazing to start your day on a positive note. Take a deep breath and let it out, and give yourself a mental high five. Stay grounded, stay strong, and go out there and make this day yours. If any of these stretches were challenging, check out a home workout to build more strength, or check out a calming meditation to keep you centered. Let's go!